If you are over 40 and trying to learn AI, stop learning AI right now. Start learning how to profit from AI. I'm serious. Stop trying to learn AI. You don't need to learn AI. You need to learn how to profit from AI. Because right now AI is moving faster than anything we have ever seen. And if you are over 40, you already feel it. You feel like you are being left behind. And the truth is, you are. But not for the reason you think. The reason you feel behind is because you are trying to compete with people who are 10, 20, 30 years old. They are growing up with AI and ChatGPT. They understand. ChatGPT AI agents automation vibe coding. Not only do they understand it, they embrace it, they use it every day, they are building with it, they are moving fast, and you are sitting there trying to learn it from scratch. Watching videos, taking courses, trying to understand everything. And it feels overwhelming. And it is overwhelming. Because you are playing the wrong game. You are trying to catch up technically, when you should be positioning yourself financially. This is the shift. This is the only shift that matters. Do not try to master AI. Profit from AI. That is the move. And let me show you exactly what I mean. All of this AI growth. All of this hype. All of this money. It is not random. It is flowing into companies. Massive companies. NVIDIA, Microsoft, Google, Meta. These are not small companies. These are the biggest companies in the world. And all of that money, all of that investment, all of that belief shows up in one place. The Nasdaq stock market index. The Nasdaq is the AI engine. The Nasdaq is where the money flows. And if you look at the charts, you will see something very interesting. The Nasdaq has been rallying. Even during chaos. Even during war. Ukraine war, Iran war, Hormuz, Strait concerns, oil spikes over 100. All of that is happening, and the Nasdaq still moves. Why? Because AI is bigger than all of that. AI is not just another technology. It is rebuilding business. It is changing how companies operate. It is changing how decisions are made. It is creating efficiencies at a scale we have never seen before. This is bigger than the internet. This is bigger than electrification. This is bigger than the highway system. Because it is not just infrastructure. It is intelligence. And that intelligence is being injected into every business. And when that happens, money flows. And when money flows, markets move. And when markets move, there is opportunity. So instead of trying to sit there and learn everything about AI, what if you just positioned yourself to profit from it? What if instead of trying to build AI, you simply traded the result of AI? That is the strategy. That is the move. That is what I do. I trade the Nasdaq with the help of AI and ChatGPT. It changes everything. It means I am partnering with AI. I don't try to outcode developers. I don't try to build the next AI startup. I position myself on the right side of the flow. And I use a structured system, a disciplined system, the Bob Master plan, where I trade less. I risk 1%. I wait for confirmation. I execute one clean trade. And I stop. Like a fund manager. Not like a gambler. This is not about sitting at your screen all day. This is not about chasing trades. This is not about guessing. This is about waiting for the right moment and executing with precision. And that moment happens around the NYSE Open, when real volume comes in, when real decisions are made, and then using a simple model, trend direction, confirmation, and breakout. That is it. Simple, repeatable, disciplined. And here is the key. You do not need to understand every AI tool. You do not need to learn how to code. You do not need to keep up with 20-year-olds. You need to put yourself on the side where money is flowing. And right now, that is AI. And that is the Nasdaq. So if you are over 40 and you feel like you are behind, stop trying to catch up and start positioning yourself. Because this wave is not slowing down. This is just getting started. AI, agents, automation, intelligence systems. This is the rebuild of business. And the people who position themselves financially will win. And the people who sit there trying to understand everything will fall further behind. So make the shift Right now, stop learning AI, start learning how to profit from AI. Profit from AI, Bob the Trader GPT. If you want to see how I trade the Nasdaq, if you want to understand the system, if you want to position yourself on the right side of this AI movement, profit from AI, Bob the Trader GPT, this is your opportunity. Do not miss it. Profit from AI, Bob the Trader GPT.